boys and girls, and welcome to Burning Guitar. We welcome Miss Starr here and LOJAY. This song is called Running. Okay, so this is about 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song with one strumming pattern. Let's dive into this one. No need for any capo, and we'll start with the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We'll go over to G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. C major 7, so 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. And finally F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. So there we have the order as the chords come. And now let's look at the strumming pattern. We'll start with the D minor, so grab that one. And one round will be down, up clap, down, down clap. Okay, so clap, down, down, clap. With some standard speed, it will be like this. And so on. So with the chord progression D minor, G, C major 7, and F major 7, you're going to play one strumming around per chord through the entire song. That will sound like this. So that's it. Running. I hope that helps. So till next time, play tuned.